Hello, I'm Johnny and welcome back to my channel. So this is an unboxing of the Papergang monthly stationery subscription box. It's a curated box of stationery by Oh Dear. It's normally £15 a box, but I got a special offer Christmas time. I paid £99.95 for a year's supply of Papergang boxes, which costs around, is it £8.33 a box, which was a bargain. So what am I thinking of the... I quite like that design. It's nice and colourful. Abstract, is it? Nice. And the box seems quite heavy, so that's always a good sign, unless it's just a brick in there. And it's bulging out the seams as well. There seems to be like a lump here. Any more I can tell you? No, let's just get into it. Off in one, Ziggy's fast asleep. And what I've noticed, that there's no QR code on the front. In last month's box, on the front, there was this horrible little sticker with the... I mean, I'm not saying the artist was horrible, he was really good. It was a chameleon, I thought it was fantastic. Yeah, and there was just like a sticker on with a QR code, and you had to scan that to find out more about the artist and what was inside, the contents. But I scanned it a few times and it just wouldn't work. And I was really disappointed that they weren't going to be doing the little booklet that I quite enjoyed reading. I mean, they did cut the sides of there as well, but never mind. Let's get into it. So it says here, hello stationery lover. Oh, and I'm just loving that. Bright yellow paper. Nice for spring. Cheer everybody up. Oh, there it is. Scan. Scan to get a free... Oh, it's a free greetings card. Oh, well, you can scan it and get a free greeting card. Share how you use your products at the Papergang for a chance to win extra goodies. I don't know if I've read that before. Well, let's see. Can I take this off? Sticker. No, looks like I'm gonna have to... Oh, look. Rip it. Right, I'll just take everything out of the box. Do you want to know what this is? Gain extra points and get rewards. Join our reward scheme, blah blah blah. You will earn points for purchases. For every 4 boxes we make, 1 tree is planted in association with Tree Aid, which is very good. So, now should I put the thing to the side? Yes, I will. And then you won't get to see everything all at once. Right. Oh, so we have got these 3 metal clips in... Oh, I need to go in a bit forward. 3 metal clips in blue, red and yellow. I mean, they are handy. I do use quite a lot of them on occasion. And then we get oh, look, my gimbal's playing up again. We get this boring notelet. Sticky notes. And then we've got a pen. And it feels quite nice. It's like, oh, and like it feels like foamy, rubbery. But it's not, I'll just click it. It's plastic. Yes, and that's just, I'll take the end off to see what colour it is. I assume it's going to be blue. Come on, rubber protector. Get off. Right. So let's see. Oh, I think it's black. Feels quite nice, not scratchy. It is black there, isn't it? Yes. Oh, and this is why the box was heavy. Because there's a planner in it. Is it the same design as the box? Because it looks a bit... Oh, yeah. It's not as nice as the box. The box has got red in it, and this hasn't. Oh, and the artist is Otto Imran. So it says, this planner belongs to name, mobile, email. Oh, and it's dotted. Oh, but broke me nail. Broke me nail. Damn. I was getting that sticker off. Yeah, it's dotted, so that's good for me to practice me calligraphy. Try and do me neat writing. Inside it says date, objective and notes. I've got loads of these now. But I mean, it's good that they haven't got the year date on, or any dates and stuff in like a diary planner. So you can use these anytime. The inside's quite nice. And then what's this? Oh, I'm not a big fan of these. An art print. Wow. So this is what we got in the box. I'm not really impressed. I mean, I did only pay £8.33 for this box, but I still think that is a struggle for them to reach that point. I mean, I don't even think it's worth £8.33. And people are paying £15 for it. Yes, I mean the artwork's colourful, it's alright, but it's nowhere as good as what last month's box was. That was really spot on, it was amazing. I mean, you get this art print that I'm not going to use, and I don't think anybody will want it if I gift it. So, the best I'll do with that is use the cardboard for something and probably do a sketch or do notes on the back of it. And these are just boring, drab. I mean, I could have had a bit more design to it, like the journal, and add a splash of red. The planner, yeah, it was alright. Yeah, bro, as I say, I've got loads of them. I mean, I am subscribed to a stationery box, so I shouldn't complain for getting stationery. Yeah, the pen's alright. And a few clips. Not a very inspiring box. I'm out of frame at all. Disappointing. So, leave comments below if you like this box, if you subscribe to this box, or what do you think of these supplies. That's that. In a short video. So, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Johnny signing out. See you, bye.